ECLOF in Kenya, together with industry partners CIC Insurance and Noble Strides Insurance Agency, introduces a microinsurance product that can build resilience for its clients and protect livelihoods, known as ECLOF Afya. Afya in Swahili means health.
Getting to know ECLOF, we have been in the market for more than 30 years. We have worked with over 55,000 clients. We are in over 40 touch points. We have many products, but the coming in of microinsurance has really supported to de-risk some of the loans that we are able to provide. And when I say de-risk, it's very simple. We provide credit, but something could happen, and the risk experts are here. And when insurance companies partner with us, we are able now to offer a service that is sustainable. So to me, without going into very many details, I want to say that this is a dream come true for ECLOF Kenya.
My name is Charles Kaib Irangu from Embu County. I came here as a livestock farmer representing other farmers. I have known ECLOF for a long time, but due to work commitments, I could not join earlier. Last year, I managed to visit ECLOF and got a loan of 250,000 shillings. I was able to use the money to buy livestock. ECLOF deducted 10% from the amount, which helped me insure my 2 cows. One cow was valued at 250,000 and was called Caro. The other one was valued at 200,000 and was named Insured. Unfortunately, one of my cows, Caro, died from pneumonia, which led to heart failure. Fortunately, I was compensated the whole amount in full because the cow was insured. The insurance covered 10% for loan facilitation and the other 10% was put as 2 installments, and I was able to access a loan of 200,000. I was able to buy another cow who we named Kajoy. I never knew you could insure a cow, but today I am grateful for ECLOF because through ECLOF I have learnt you can insure your livestock and get compensated. I would be stressed if I had not insured my cow. I thank ECLOF because there is continuity in my farming business without worry. I am happy to be served by ECLOF as a part-time farmer. I am glad I was compensated because without this support, I would have lost my investment. I am a chief by profession and I thank ECLOF for the support. I am assured that with ECLOF we will go far. I look forward to continuing working with ECLOF Kenya. Thank you.
Hello ECLOF family, I am happy to see all of you. My name is Grace and Jerry Mwangi, and I have been with ECLOF for over 10 years. I am here with my husband, John Kimo. ECLOF has assisted me very much. We have taken many loans with ECLOF. My husband is an electrician and he does electrical work. We operate an electrical shop and we have 3 employees who help us run the business. I don't even know what to say, ECLOF has lifted me up so much. I have been with them for 18 years now. Even though I am not feeling well today, I am very happy to be here. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.
My name is John Kia Magaduru. We have a long history with ECLOF. When we started, my wife was part of a small local savings group Chama. Later, she joined another group where they were given almost 400,000 shillings, but unfortunately, the group collapsed, and she lost everything. The group's collapse meant she could not access her money, so she had to look for other opportunities without any interest charges or fees. She eventually came home empty-handed despite being given that large amount earlier. Later, my wife told me about a group called ECLOF. At first, I told her I didn't want to hear about any group. But as I learned more about ECLOF and saw how they operated, not like the previous groups, I became very happy and decided to support her. We have now been members of ECLOF for almost 18 years, and it has been a truly rewarding journey. We are grateful for Cash, which also is helping us for emergencies. We are also happy about the introduction of micro-individual, which we are beneficiaries. We are looking forward to opening more branches so that we can employ more staff and help build our nation. We pray for growth and prosperity of ECLOF Kenya. 2 years ago, I lost my dear wife after a short illness. I joined ECLOF in 2017, and by the time of my wife's demise I had taken a loan of Kenyan shilling 400,000. When my wife passed on, I had only repaid 150,000. ECLOF came to my aid. They provided me with insurance and cleared the remaining balance of my loan. After that, ECLOF also gave me financial support for my wife's funeral expenses, and I am forever grateful for that insurance.
ECLOF in Kenya is part of a global family of Christian microfinance institutions in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. And we take a holistic approach to empowering the disadvantaged and vulnerable, to financial and related non-financial services. We have heard today from actual clients how insurance has helped them cope with tragic circumstances in their lives. ECLOF listens to its clients, and as a result, it has made the Afya product.
What that ECLOF is giving to the clients is way more than just giving them some money. You know that financial inclusion that we talk about for everybody. They're getting the money, but there is much more than just the money. There is actual support, follow-up, ensuring that what they are doing is able to be sustainable and maybe even help them to be able now to repay the loans. The traditional insurances that you're accustomed to. We talk about the medical insurance, it pays bills to the hospital. So this product goes a step further and puts money in the hands of the patient or the client, if you like. So if somebody is hospitalized for a certain number of days, there's a certain amount of money that is given for every day the person is hospitalized. So that's what we refer to as a hospital cash product. So
we know that our clients, the low-income earners, anytime they have to take money to go to hospital, and we know that one of the risks that puts people back into poverty, it's health risks. So to cover that, we came up with a very, very simplified product that reimburses our clients. And we know most of them are MSMEs. I think 50% of ECLOF clients are women. And we know for us women, we are the caretakers of our homes. If anyone in your home is unwell, you know that basically your business is not going to go. You'll need to be in the hospital, taking them food, taking care of them. So it means that they have to close their businesses. And every time they close their business, you know, they're not earning any money. So because of that, we have to cover also the spouse. So whenever they have to close their business, at least we reimburse part of the money that they have lost for that day.
For decades, ECLOF Kenya has empowered micro-entrepreneurs, not just with loans, but with tools to thrive. Yet the health crisis consistently undermines this progress. Our mission has always been to build resilience, not just to provide loans. ECLOF Afya is the answer to this crisis. For the client, ECLOF Afya means financial protection. With the product, there is a guarantee in that hospital bill will be covered, income protected from exposures that comes with medical expenses. Business, therefore, will survive and thrive. It pioneers inclusive finance by making insurance accessible to traditionally excluded, particularly the low-income earners. To report that ECLOF Afya embodies ECLOF Kenya code DNA, which is finance must serve humanity.